Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how we get the design done using our Pixellab app. This design is actually done with Photoshop, but I'll be teaching you how I get it done with my Pixellab. So let's go back and open our new workspace, and the size of the design is 1024. Let's change the background to white. Good. So let's go and bring in our resources we're going to be using for this design. So let's add them straight into Pixellab. So let's start by bringing in this. Let's drag it to relative position. So you can use the idea on which I use in designing this to design your own flyer. So you're going to see the manipulation I'll be doing in this flyer. I want to import in these images before I carry on the manipulation properly. Sorry for that. So let me lock this. Good. It's locked. Let me go and bring the next one. So apart from these images, every other thing we're going to be doing is just manipulation. So I'll teach you how to do that with your Pixellab. This design you are seeing currently is designed with Photoshop, but in this tutorial we teach you how you can get this with your smartphone, with your Pixellab app, and get this done. So I will take this down. Then yes, let me lock it there. So what next? Let me rotate these colors. Let me work on the colors first. So we'll go to colors. We will leave the hue at 0 because this saturation will make it 20. Then brightness will make brightness +5. Then we make contrast 35. Then make contrast. Let it contrast 30. Then let's go here. Sorry for that. Let's go here, which is the middle one. Let's make the saturation 13 +13. Let's make the brightness, let it be brightness 0. Contrast, let's make it 10. So that's how we're going to do the other ones too. Let's come here. Let's make it saturation 13 +13. Contrast 10. Good. See, the brightness of the picture is coming alive, right? That is the essence of working on this. Saturation 13. Contrast 10. Good. So we are progressing. So now let's head on straight to our chip. Yeah, let's make it round. Let's come here. Let's reduce the opacity. Let's increase the stroke. We'll make the stroke high. Let's see this. Good. Let's increase it a bit. God, want to create something fabulous. We want to create something fabulous. Good. So let's centralize it. Lock it, copy. Let's reduce it. And let's centralize it. Lock it. Copy. Copy. Let's centralize it. Then let's merge everything together. Are you sure you want to merge? Yes. So what next? Let's reduce this. Let's place it this way. Place it at the middle. Then let's change this color to blue. Let's change it to this blue. Let's send to back. We can increase it. Yes. Believe you are seeing the manipulation, right? Good. Good. Let's lock it. So now let's head on straight to here. And I want to make this color blue. Blue also. So I'll start by doing this manipulation with the chip. This tutorial will be a little bit long, but ensure you follow suit to the end. Copy, bring it down, move it up, copy, copy, move it to the middle, come again, copy, So what are we going to do? We come here, we group all this together, which means we merge them. In computer, they use the word grouping. In Pixellab, we use the word merge. You click on this arrow to word merge. Are you sure you want to merge? You select that object, say OK. So I've selected the merging it. Oh, let's unmerge it. Something just happened now. We just selected the wrong one. This one is not included. So let's group again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 objects. Yes. We succeeded in merging it. Let's reduce this a little. Good. So now let's copy. We'll copy it. I believe it's copied already. So let's send this to here. So let's try to bring this here. And let's try to bring this here. So let's make use of this alignment for let me make use of this alignment. Now let's bring in this right up. Godday. So we are going to be using BEBAS new for this test. BEBAS. We'll make use of black color. Let's use BEBAS. BEBAS. Got BEBAS here. BEBAS new. We're going to increase. We're going to make it bold anyway. Selected the bold. We're going to increase this text to 370. Let's rotate it. So this is the positioning. So we move these two up a little. Good. So now we'll copy this. In fact, let me just leave it and type Emmanuel here, capital letter. I'll increase this to 154. I will use Poppins ExtraBold. Got the font using Poppins ExtraBold. Rotate it and bring it here. Let's increase the size. Good. So I will move this, so ensure they're in the relative position. They are not in the relative position anyway, but let me use this thing to move them. Good. So now we've gotten this. What are we going to do? Let's merge everything together. So we start by doing this. We click here, click here, click here, click here. We click on this merge. Are you sure you want to merge the selected object? Click on OK. The object had been merged together. This is it. So now let's head on straight to relative position and let's position it at the center. I see now it's now at the center. So let's go. You can interlock it, then come to perspective where the main manipulation will take place is here. Let's go to perspective. Now let's click on perspective. Click on perspective, enable. Are you getting now? So this is where the work starts. So let's locate this angle here. Let's locate this angle. Let's assume that's what we are looking for. Now let's locate this angle here too. Let's bring it in a little. Let's bring this side down. Okay, we are almost there. Good. Now this part, let me take it up a little. This is where I'm going to be making use of alignment. So what I'm going to do now, I will unlock it, increase the size. Let's head to perspective again. Okay, good. So let me do the same to here too. Okay, let me now reduce it and bring it here to see what we have done so far. This is what we've done so far. I believe we need to reduce this other aspect. So we do that by coming here again take it back. Okay. Yes, it's better now. So with this, we are good to go. So you lock it. Let's remove this. So this is what we've done so far. So sorry for the time. Back. We'll send that to front again, but let's add shadow to it. Give a shadow. Let's reduce shadow opacity. Let's increase the radius of it. Then let's send it to front. Send to front. Let's bring it down here. Good. We are good to go. Let's take it up a little. This angle, there is something I'm observing in that angle. Good. So this is it. So what then do we need to do? Let's bring in our write up without delay. We bring here, we put happy birthday. Bring it here. The fonts we are using is this font, Harmony Honeymoon Personal Use. Click on it. Then we'll make the size 40. The size will be 40. Yes. Let's work on this and work on this too. Good. So let's send to back. Make the color black. Send to back. Lock it. So copy again. I'm gonna do some alignment here. So now let's write here 25. 25 is my birthday. Let's head on straight and change this color to, let's change this text to Montserrat. Let's try Poppins bold. No, Montserrat will look more better. No, let's use this. Let's see. Good. We'll change this color to blue. You copy and send to this side. Let's place it at the relative position there. Let's change it to 12. 25, 12 month. That is my birthday. Good. Save the two. Sorry for the time, but we'll look for a way to work on the time. I'm coming on that test again. Then we'll type here. Type here general. I'm making use of Montserrat ExtraBold. So we'll give it some rotation. Let's give it curve. Let's make the curve So copy, remove the let's remove the curve. Let's write hashtag father. So what I'm going to do now, I'll put this here, then I'll also put this here. Reduce that to 35, 30. Yes. Then let me reduce this to 30 also. Make it 30. So let me drag it close. Make it at this alignment. So that is a manipulation. So let's on this and let's take that down. Let's go back and let's take this mentor. No, let's take this mentor down a little. Good. That is it. So let's lock it. And we are good to go. So